Iowa has some of the cheapest car insurance rates in the country. So naturally, a lot of people buy the absolute minimum coverage and think they're good. Problem is, one accident can wipe out that minimum in about 15 minutes, and then you're personally liable for everything else. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where Iowa's minimums fail you and what coverage actually makes sense. Iowa requires 20,000 in bodily injury per person, 40,000 per accident, and 15,000 in property damage. Those sound like real numbers until you're sitting in a hospital. Average hospital admission in Iowa runs between $15,000 and $25,000. A serious injury, you're looking at 100 grand, maybe more. Your 20,000 limit gets burned through before the ambulance bill's even paid, and you're still liable for the rest. Iowa doesn't require uninsured motorist coverage. About 1 in 10 Iowa drivers has no insurance at all. So here's the scenario. Someone without insurance hits you, totals your car, and breaks your arm. Your liability coverage doesn't touch your own damages. Without uninsured motorist coverage, you're out of luck. I see this exact situation probably twice a month in my agency, and it's always preventable. Iowa ranks in the top 5 states for deer vehicle collisions. State Farm says you've got about a 1 in 55 chance of hitting a deer in any given year. That's roughly double the national average. Here's the thing. Deer collisions are covered by comprehensive, not collision. If you're buying liability only insurance to save a few bucks and you hit a deer that totals your car, that's coming entirely out of your pocket. In rural Iowa, especially, comprehensive isn't optional. The mistake I see all the time is people assume Iowa's minimums exist because they're actually adequate. They're not. They exist because Iowa allows drivers maximum flexibility. That flexibility has cost clients real money. Someone carries liability only because it's cheap, then uninsured driver hits them, or they hit a deer, and suddenly they're calling me saying they wish they'd done it right the first time. It's preventable. Call us right now at 763-733-7475. We're licensed in Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin,